The SNOJO 24-volt cordless electric snow shovel offers a comprehensive snow clearing solution with its complete kit, including a protective cover and scraper for added convenience. Equipped with a powerful 400-watt motor, this snow shovel efficiently moves up to 1,620 pounds of snow per charge, making snow clearing fast and effective. Its cordless design allows for hassle-free maneuverability, enabling you to clear snow from decks, patios, steps, and sidewalks effortlessly. This shovel cuts a 13-inch wide by 6-inch deep path in a single pass, ensuring quick and thorough snow removal with minimal effort. Powered by a 24-volt IONMAX 4.0 ampere-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers up to 22 minutes of quiet runtime for uninterrupted snow clearing. The SNOJO 24-volt model combines durability and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty snow and ice removal on driveways and walkways.